How are you, my dear student? I hope you people are enjoying learning through this medium. It's just cool, isn't it? Now answer this question, children. I freeze when I am cold. Okay. I fall softly as snow. I melt in the sun and down the mountain I flow. Who I am? It is water. Okay. Now we are going to do let us do. Okay. Let us assemble a simple pump. Material required for this experiment. Okay. Any hollow tube. Okay, children. It can be PVC pipe or metal or even a long papaya stem. Okay. These three materials you can use, any one you can use for this experiment. Okay, so let us start our experiment. Let us follow the procedure. Hold the tube with your left hand and move it up and down into a bucket of water. Okay, keep the palm of your right hand on top of the tube and open and close it with each up and down reciprocation. Soon the water will start squirting out. So let me explain, children. You have to take a bucket of water. Then you have to select any one tube. Okay, and this tube you should hold with the help of your left hand. This tube should be dipped in the water and take out from the water after a second. While you dip the tube in the water down, okay, you should close the hole of the tube with your right hand. Okay, while you take out the tube from the water, you should take out your right hand from the tube. So in this way you should repeat this procedure. Okay, in this way you should repeat this alternating motion. Okay, children, this is known as alternating motion, which is reciprocation, means you should repeat this one, taking out tube from the water, again dipping the tube into the water. This is known as reciprocation, alternating motion. Okay, understand? So while you do this procedure, you will see, okay, what you will see? Water will start, okay, squirting out while you take out the tube from the water, and you have to take out the right hand from the tube. Then suddenly, okay, water will squirting out like a fountain. Okay, isn't it? So what is the meaning of squirting? The water ejected, okay, from the small opening, like how the water is coming out from the fountain. Have you seen fountain, children, in the park, in the houses, bungalow? In this way your water will eject, okay, from your tube. Okay, children, so this is the mechanism of the simple pump. With the help of this experiment, okay, with the help of this procedure, I have explained you how to work simple pump. Okay, children, so here the up and down motion of the left hand does the pumping, while the right hand palm act like a valve. Okay, now closing, opening with your right hand, how you are closing the tube, and then you are taking out the right hand from the tube. Understand? So you can do this experiment in your home. You will definitely enjoy and you will know, okay, how the water pump is working out. Okay, children? Now let's move more to know. Each person on the earth requires, okay, at least 20 to 50 liters of clean and safe water per day, okay, for drinking and other activities. So each person's need 20 to 50 liters, okay, of water for drinking purpose and other activities. Just imagine, children, how many liters of water require for millions of people each day. So that's why, for this reason, we should conserve water, okay, from the water resources, and we should save water, okay, because we need more water in our future and at present also, isn't it, for our daily requirement.